2023 tune-up games. We got versus Iran and Senegal today. And we're going to watch women's highlights of Gilas. So, boom, we're just going all FIBA'd out right now. That's that AJ dude. He's been going crazy. Hold up, then. Hold up, then. AJ has been going crazy, though. Look at, like, what? It's just easy for him. Who's that? Is that my twin? Is that my twin? Yeah. It's not. Was it? It wasn't, but close enough. Oh, there's my twin. Now my twin's getting action. Ah, he missed, basically. Look at Kiefer, man. Who would have fucking thought? Oh, pull that. Oh, jack that up. Okay. Is this Iran's A team finally or what? Oh, give me that. Of course it was a Bondo.
First up, Gilas Pilipinas 31, Iran 30.
Oh, okay, bet. I'm guessing, okay, yeah, these are only 10-minute quarters. Or I guess FIBA always does that. FIBA is always a little bit shorter in the NBA. Hold up! He ain't like that, no! Give me that. Push the pace. Oh, got some free throws. If you make this, Gilas is going to win the World Cup. All right, sweet. Oh, CJ broke his little ass. Oh, my God. He went to a different realm. I wish he made it. Good pass. Oh, yeah. Come on. Go up stronger than that. Oh, that's Pagoy. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Nice. Give me that. Oh, June Mar. He's huge. Oh, my God. The bulldozer. All right, all right. Oh, yeah. Twin. Bro, me and Dwight Ramos are the same person, I think. Literally identical. Hold up in the corner. It's literally Klay Thompson, bro. Put a hand up. Bro, oh, I was going to say, no way he's making that. All right, Senegal time.
Gilas faces Senegal on their second game of the tournament.
Oh, it's Ken Charles.
Opening quarter at CJ Perez, ending the period down by 3 points.
No, let me get that volume. I want to hear my robotic voice.
Slowly, the offense started to pick up, along with the help of CJ Perez, ending the period down by 3 points, 19-22.
Hey. Easy lay. We like those out of you, CJ. Oh my. And a three. God damn. Bro, he's going nuts. What is this wizardry?
Low production for both teams, as Gilas only made 15
nice hook.
points.
Wait, doesn't Jamie have a nice dunk in one of these games?
Gilas was able to get 6
steals,
which helped them put some points on the board and remain close at the end of the first half.
30 Ravenas in the game? Oh my God, this is a crazy time to live. Hey! Ooh, possibly a travel. Don't matter though, because that's a corner 3. Give me that. You better stand up, buddy. You could have got up and played some defense. You whining on the floor though. Nice midi, bro. That's literally
different
father.
Story in the third
even
quarter,
though he's my twin.
As Gilas made 19 with 3 3-pointers, while Senegal produced 21 with 4 3-pointers. At this point, Dwight and CJ led the team with 11 points each, while Renz and Junmar contributed as well in this period, ending it with a score of 53-56.
Wait, they're losing? How? Looks like they're destroying them. I guess this is only one-sided highlights, but oh yeah, come here! Their defense actually does look decent. Doesn't matter though. They're just smacking it in their throats, so it doesn't matter.
Gilas, as they only made 3 out of 9 baskets from the field and only scoring 11 points, while allowing Senegal to score 16 more, ending the game down by 8, 64-72.
They lost. Easy money.
Gilas was shooting below 25% from beyond the arc, only making 6 3-pointers out of 28 attempts. That is very low.
Okay, Ken. Now we got the women's. Wait, before we go to these women's, I want to make sure.
But more than that, this has been a powerhouse nation in the continent of Africa.
Oh, here we go.
Gilas women
，Bang！ That shit was deep.
感觉到菲律宾在攻守两端确实也在慢慢的进步当中。
Ooh!
Bumawi naman ang Gilas.
See, this is what Philippines got to do. Since they're going to be smaller than most teams, they just got to become snipers. Wait, is this even the Is this the right team? I don't remember any of these players. Hold up. This might be a different team. Maybe I remember some of them.
Dikit pa din ang laban ng dalawang team.
Hey! Hey, jack it up!
Nabawi naman ng Iran sa mga Pinay ang lamang bago magtapos ang first half.
Nice.
Third quarter na, unti-unting lumobo.
I think I remember that girl.
Ang kalamangan ng mga babaeng Gilas. Patuloy pa din ang hot shooting nito.
How are they losing right now? Take the lead. Oh god. There we go. There we go. Number 15's got a sniper. Oh, big shotty. Ah, actually made it. Oh, show the burners. Show the burners. Oh my god. Do it yourself. The pass. And oh, you gotta be kidding me. That should have been one. Is this the same Gilas team I was watching like a month ago? I feel like this looks different. Give me those cookies. Dunk on her little ass too. Jesus. And one. And one.
Blue team on their first game of the 42nd William Jones Cup. In the first quarter, Gilas was only shooting around 35% from the field with only 2 3-pointers, while Chinese Taipei was able to get their rhythm at the 5-minute mark.
Where's Vanessa?
With a double-digit lead, 17-30.
Where's Ella? And 1.5. She missed. There we go. That's the and one. Oh, good cut.
Gilas was able to get their rhythm in the second quarter, scoring
15, bro.
points with
15's MVP right now. She got 18
led
threes.
the squad with 14 points, but it wasn't
Number
enough
7's
to cut
pretty
the lead
good too.
to
It
a
looks
single
like.
digit as Chinese Taipei
Number
was
10
able
getting
to
them
score 21
big Shaq
more,
buckets.
ending the first half still with a double-digit lead.
Bang! Oh, she's tough. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Get some help, bro. Number 15 is nice as hell.
Better shooting from Gilas, as they shot 74% from the field. Casey Della Rosa and
yo, what's number 15's name, yo?
As they helped the squad.
Need me a shooter for real, you know. I got the
Chinese Taipei to just
I got my Chris Paul playmaking. I'll give her the rock. Oh, how do you miss that? There you go. Nice tip pass. Oh my god. This team's nice with. Are they losing? Oh, they're losing. What the hell? Hold up. Hey. Okay. What? Stay away, bro. How are they losing? Okay,
Gilas
comeback
was able
season.
to take the lead in the first 5 minutes of the last quarter as they had a 13-4 run. But the squad had 4 crucial turnovers in the last 2 minutes, and Chinese Taipei was slowly taking the lead back.
No.
Ending the game with a 4-point win, 85-89.
No, brother.
Despite the loss, Casey Della Rosa had a great debut, tallying 17 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists, and a steal.
Okay, Casey Della Rosa, damn. But number 15, that's my shooter.